Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I gonna to show you how to mirror text in Microsoft Word, and this setting is similar for all the version of Microsoft Word. So firstly, open the Microsoft Word. Now we will use word art, so click on Insert and select the word art. Select any style which you want. Now type your text. Now click on Shape Effects in the format and select 3D rotation and click on 3D rotation options. Now you will see a dialog box, Format Shape. You change the Y rotation and Z rotation for 180 degree. Now Z rotation. Now make enter. So you will see mirror text using the word art in Microsoft Word. So friends, by this method you can convert your text in mirrored text. So friends, I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like this video, so please hit like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.